Did you know the average soldier burns over 4,000 calories a day during field training? That's not by accident. It's because Army workouts are raw, functional, and built to burn fat like crazy while building real strength. Today, you'll train like the troops, with just your body weight and no excuses. Let's make it happen. The warm-up. Before we hit the mission, we warm up like soldiers. Follow me for 40 seconds of high knee sprints, arm circles, and body twists. Stay light on your feet. Here's your battle plan. 6 exercises, 45 seconds each, 15 seconds rest between moves. Complete 3 rounds total with 1-minute breaks in between. Let's get into round 1. Exercise 1. Burpee to push-up. Burpee to push-ups are a full-body powerhouse exercise that combines strength, cardio, and explosive power in one move. Start strong. Drop into a push-up, explode upward, and jump high. This move hits your chest, legs, and lungs all at once. It's pure soldier grit. Push through. Exercise 2. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a cardio and core combo that mimics sprinting, builds endurance while sculpting your midsection. Stay low, drive your knees forward, and keep your core tight. This move torches belly fat while building your endurance. Keep that pace. Imagine you're racing through an obstacle course. Exercise 3. Jump squats. Jump squats builds explosive lower body power and burns fat through plyometric intensity. Feet shoulder width apart. Drop down, explode up, and land soft. This builds power in your legs, like a paratrooper hitting the ground running. Stay light and powerful. Exercise 4. Bear crawls. Bear crawls strengthens total body coordination and shoulder stability while keeping your core constantly engaged. Go down on all fours. Crawl forward for 4 paces and then backward for 4 paces. Keep your knees just off the ground. It looks simple, but it builds total body coordination, core strength, and mental toughness. Keep moving. Soldiers never stop. Exercise 5. Plank jacks. Plank jacks are a killer move for fat burning and core endurance, combining static strength with dynamic cardio. In a plank position, jump your feet out and in just like jumping jacks. You're firing your core and shoulders while keeping your heart rate up. Focus on stability and speed. Exercise 6. Walking lunge. Walking lunges build strong, balanced legs and improves mobility, perfect for functional strength. Step forward, drop your knee just above the floor, then push through your heel. Repeat as you walk. These build soldier-strong legs and improve balance. Keep your chest up, stay controlled. That's round 1 down. Take a 1-minute breather, hydrate if needed, and prepare for round 2. Remember, soldiers train hard because they never quit. Your workout mission is almost complete. To finish strong, we'll cool down with a 5-minute brisk walk. Keep a steady pace, about 3 to 4 miles per hour, enough to catch your breath but stay active. This helps lower your heart rate and boost recovery. Military workouts aren't about perfection, they're about consistency and grit. Every rep, every drop of sweat brings you closer to your goal. You've just completed a fat-burning Army workout that tests both your body and mind. If you felt the burn, hit that like button and subscribe for more functional workouts every week. Stay disciplined, stay strong.